What is up, guys? Check it out, man. And hanging out here with Mike. Shook night in the night, man. Check it out. We got Chuck in the blaze, man. He just welling the whole gas station up. Woo! Man, check him out. Let's get him. We gonna flip this around, man. Look at, there he is. And we seen him down at Slam. You already know, man. Ooh. He got the goose, you know. Ooh, hitting it, man. Do the damn thing. Yeah. All right, man, they about to pull out. We're gonna get them rolling out of here, man. Be careful. You going back to the meet? Yeah. All right, we'll be back there, man. Yeah, we're gonna catch them rolling out. We rode up on Tyler, man. We got a roller. Shout out to No Crew Kids, man. Tyler, dude, that car looks so good rolling. I'm gonna try him while we're up there sitting and upload the video on this one too. So they'll be up there. Ooh, there he goes. There he goes, there he goes. Check him out, man. We out here with Brett too. He's inside. Damn, man. Rattling. There he goes. That's what it is. That's what we're doing tonight, guys. Keep on trapping.